Here's how to make one of these electric scribblers, shall we call them. I'll just switch it off. Don't really need a lot of resources for this project. I'm going to use a disc of 3mm Corex, but you could use a piece of cardboard. And I've got a couple of 4mm pieces of Corex, this is spacers, a cheap electric motor, a motor clip, or you could just glue the motor down, a single AA battery holder, AA battery. You will need a cam or an off-center mass. This is one that's available from a supplier. This is one that I make my own. This is one that I make myself by drilling a second hole in a plastic wheel. And some felt tip pens. And you do need a craft knife for this. And obviously your school will have a policy about letting pupils use craft knives. First thing we need to do is to fix the motor in place. So we're going to clip it into the motor clip, push on the off-center cam like this, check it spins easily. Now if we stick this down, there won't be room for the cam to turn all the way around, so we just need to glue a little platform there, and then we're going to fix the motor clip onto there. So now it's got room for the cam to go round. So I'm just going to use a glue gun. You could use sellotape to fix these two pieces of 4mm Corex in place. There we are. And these motor clips have got a self-adhesive base, so you just pull the paper backing off and stick that down. If you don't have these motor clips, we could have just glued the motor down onto there with a glue gun. So we'll glue that onto there like that, and again check that the cam can spin round. Next we're going to fit the batteries. This is a battery holder that's got wires fitted. You can get them without wires as well. Just going to strip these bare ends back a little bit more. Much easier if you've got these automatic wire strippers. There we are, and just twist to tidy up the strands. And I'm going to glue that battery holder down in a position where the wires will reach the motor. There we are. Now you could fit a switch. I'm going to miss a switch out. I'm going to connect up the circuit, and I'm going to switch it off and on just by taking the battery out of the holder. But if you want to, of course, you can fit a switch. You could make your own switch out of paper fastener and paper clips, or you could use a board switch. There are lots available from my supply service. So I'm just twisting these wires round. It won't be a completely reliable circuit. If you have access to one, you could make it stronger by soldering the wires into position. If you prefer, I can supply the motors with wires soldered on at no extra charge. So now we'll pop the battery in and see if it's working. There we go. Problem there. Absolutely no idea why that's not working. Perhaps I've picked up a flat battery. Yes, there we are. We'll throw that battery away. Okay, so we've now got a vibrating platform. And let's turn the circuit off. We're now going to fit the pens.